After years of anticipation, Mitsubishi has finally delivered exciting news for fans of the legend. Speaking at last month's Tokyo Auto Salon, company president Takao Kato confirmed, "We will be launching a new car, true off-road SUV in 2026. While the model name has yet to be officially announced, teaser images and multiple clues have led global media to unanimous conclusion. The iconic Mitsubishi Pajero is set to return. The legendary nameplate is expected to reclaim its place at the top of the off-road hierarchy, taking direct aim at the current segment leader, the Toyota Land Cruiser 250 Prado. Earlier, speculation suggests the new Pajero might share its underpinnings with Nissan, potentially using the petrol platform. However, a recent report from respected Japanese publication BestCar indicates Mitsubishi has opted to develop the vehicle entirely in-house. The new SUV is expected to share its platform with the all-new Mitsubishi Triton pickup, resulting in tough body-on-frame architecture well-suited to serious off-road use. Design-wise, the upcoming Pajero is expected to adopt the bold, boxy silhouette that blends modern styling with rugged proportions consistent with the off-road-focused concept imagery previously released by Railart. Given its Triton-based foundation, many of the core mechanical components are likely to be shared, positioning the Pajero as a direct and credible rival to established competitors in the segment. Powertrain expectations include 2.4-liter twin-turbo diesel engine 4N16 producing an estimated 201 horsepower and 470 Nm of torque. There is a strong speculation that Mitsubishi will introduce a plug-in hybrid variant potentially adapted for the Outlander PHEV's 2.4-liter petrol engine and dual electric motors, return to deliver great output and handle the Pajero's large size and weight. Pricing estimates from Japanese media suggest a domestic retail range of approximately 5.5 to 7.5 million yen, undercutting the Land Cruiser 250 in its home country. The return of the Pajero in 2026 represents a crucial turning point for the off-road SUV segment, reigniting competition after years of Toyota dominance. For long-time Pajero enthusiasts, the countdown has begun. Now may be the time to start saving. Exactly when it arrives, however, remains to be seen.